ducks. So before I connect, I just want to talk about ducks. So follows we think about, we never want to bend at the waist or bring our head weight in front of us because that's going to bring us off of our centers. So at most, we did what I call the scarecrow. So this is our scarecrow for when we're going to duck. And this is as much as you want to bend forward in any kind of rotation in a duck. The other thing that's happening with your head is you're bringing it to the point of connection, rolling down under the arm and flipping up on the other side. So that's where you get the bend here flips. So you're going to go whoosh action, which you can practice on your own. Or if someone put their hand on your shoulder and you just roll underneath and then roll back. And that's just a good way to practice that motion. Tonight we did a move that's been really popular lately where we take the follower past the leader's right side. We're cupping the back of her arm as she comes by, high elbow, and ending in a side-by-side position in a way leveraged connection, and we can bounce in and out in double compression, in and out, in and out. So we're going 1, 2, 3, hit 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 1, 2. Tap it out if we want, whatever it is. We leave this hand on her arm for the exit. We make sure that we're inward towards each other, bringing that hand up. Inside turn, the follow is a triple step, anchor step. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We go in and out, triple step. Leaders, you have really fancy footwork. We talked about doing basically 4 walks, which is really easy for you guys to do that. The next thing we did was an inside roll, cinnamon roll, sugar roll. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Just a basic sugar push forward for the leaders. Then we added the stylistic version where we step to the diagonal for the leaders, asking the follows to step diagonal with us, transferring our weight on 3, inside turn, and then back. And this can turn into 8 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Then we added the fun follow hand where she's going to reach up, twist, and backstroke. So we go 1, 2, she reaches in, she twists, and backstrokes out. And leaders, we want to make sure that we have this hand available for if the follow wants to lean into that more. You've got her back. You got her back, right? So that was class. We just went 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da, ba.